Here's a nice looking special edition Mustang, 2008 Mustang Bullitt edition. This particular car, number 5286 in the Bullitt serialization numbers, produced in this body style in 08 and 09. And check out the strut tower brace. It's going to have a plaque that's going to have that number on it. This is an authentic Bullitt. Highland green metallic, of course. Underneath the hood, 4.6 liter 3-valve V8 engine that is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. And this does have everything that it would have came with from Ford that made it the specialty Bullitt edition. Bullitt wheels, there's a shift knob, some aluminum surround, the aluminum dash, and I'll show you some of those as we go around the car. I'll kind of point them out. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see what I'm talking about, look through it picture by picture. See underneath the hood, underside of the car, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. A few nicely done modifications to this car. One of them is it does have the 3M style protecting on the front where you have the clear wrap. And you can barely see where the line is if I can get it to show up. There you go, right there. A few little tiny touch-ups where it may have got just a little bit of rock chips, but you can tell the previous owners have taken care of this car well. One little spot up here, but overall, paint shows very nicely. See, the car is straight up and down the sides, not full of dings, dents, anything like that. Tires have been replaced due to age. Riding on Continentals. Interior, all original with the exception of a very nice Kenwood stereo install on this. If you are familiar with the 6, 7, and 8 Mustangs, they did have a problem with the CD players because they had a changer in them. This one has Bluetooth capabilities, has a rear camera. So actually an upgrade from what it would have came with factory, and a professional installation. That's the best part. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Of course, the Bullitt badging on the rear of the car. Exhaust, all stock to this car the way it would have came. And again, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. It's a very nice low-mile example of a Bullitt. Again, a little over 8,000 miles on this one. I'll give you the exact miles here shortly. Again, up and down the driver's side, you can see nice reflection in the paint. Again, not full of dings, dents, anything like that. A few touch-ups here and there. All right. Another thing about this car, door panel here is not separating from the door. We see that quite often in the S197 platform. Seat, leather, nice shape. No excessive wear or anything like that. There would be your 5-speed as far as the shift knob. Bullitt specific emblem on the horn button. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this up. We're going to check out the engine bay. Again, you can see the dash. This would be Bullitt specific. There's your exact miles. Like I said, 8,383. Again, Kenwood stereo is a newer one, 2018. It is a touch screen. It does have backup camera. And like I said, Bluetooth capability, phone, all of that. So, quite an upgrade over the 08 factory stereo. Dash, everything good shape, no check engine lights, anything like that, no warning indicators. All that one down there is my seat belt. I don't have it on. All right, slip around to the back of this. Stack sounding, no crazy mods done to this one, just the way you want to get one of these. Put some miles on it, drive it, have fun. And seeing these values hold steady too in the past 3 to 4 years. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood so you can check out the engine bay and see how that looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, if you've watched my videos before, I always point out these hood liners on the later model cars. Again, you can see how clean this one is. Try to keep the glare off the camera there. But very clean. You can tell it's not been driven in inclement weather. Well taken care of car. Here's where I'm talking about that flap, 5286. Bullitt specific number. One other thing you're going to notice about this car, there's no prop rod. Has struts added. So like I said, there's been a couple nice upgrades to this car. There's your Ford Racing cold air intake. The way it would have came when it was built as a Bullitt. Again, 4.6 liter, 3-valve V8 engine. PERS, of course, power steering, power brakes, cruise, power windows, power mirrors, AC blows cold. All of that stuff you're going to have a late model car. Here you go. You want a nice looking S197 platform Mustang. Bullitt edition. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the website where you can check out the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.